English together.
Are you okay?
Hey, Angela. Are you okay? You look upset.
Oh, hi, John. No, I'm not okay. I had a disagreement with my friend.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you want to talk about it?
I appreciate your concern. We had different opinions about something, and it turned into an argument.
Arguments can be tough. Did you try to talk it out and understand each other's perspectives?
We tried, but it didn't go well. We both got frustrated and said things we didn't mean.
I understand. Sometimes our emotions can take over. Have you thought about giving it some time and then trying to talk again?
That's a good idea. I think taking a break from each other might help us calm down.
It's important to give yourself and your friends some space to cool off. Remember, disagreements happen, but strong friendships can overcome them.
You're right, John. I value our friendship, and I don't want this argument to ruin it.
I'm glad to hear that. Take your time, and when you're ready, try reaching out to your friend to talk things through calmly.
Thank you for listening and giving me advice. I appreciate your support.
Anytime, Angela. Friends are here to help each other.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.